with the frequency I just wrote that. Submit. Next. Skip. I'll skip the programs and dictating. Next. Skip. Yes. That you can set it for yourself once you have the TV already. And I'm done. We are good to go. Exit. Then that's it. We are good to go. So let's test the picture quality. One thing, this one, it will come with the new WebOS. See, the operating system is far much better than the previous one. This one, it will cover everything to cover the screen. Before, the one we used to have, it was only with this. It was covering only this. But now the new one, hey, LG is taking the TVs on another level, baby. Let's go for the sample videos. Yeah. This normally are built-ins. They'll come with the TV. They will come with the TV. See the picture quality? See the picture quality. That's what I'm talking about. And by the way,